I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Forester battery. Changing your car battery can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it is a straightforward task. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to safely installing the new power source. This guide will help you confidently complete the replacement in about 30 minutes, saving you time and money. Let's get started with preparation and safety first. Now let's safely disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery, usually under the hood. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative cable first. Always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive to prevent electrical shorts. Then, remove the positive cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place. You are now ready to lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it is time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it is stable. Reattach the hold-down clamp to secure it. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening each connection firmly for optimal performance. You are almost done. For the final steps, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a strong connection. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Now, start your Subaru Forester to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Remember to take your old battery to an authorized recycling center for proper disposal. Great job! You have successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.